In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Sketch in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll know how to find a sketch, open it for editing, make precise changes, manage constraints, and wrap up confidently. First, let's locate the sketch you want to change. You can find it in two places. Along the bottom of the screen, the timeline shows every feature in your design. Hover over the icons until you see the sketch highlight in the canvas. Or look to the browser on the left. Expand the Sketches folder, and you'll see a list of sketches associated with your design. Pick the one you need based on where it sits in your model or how it highlights when selected. This helps ensure you're editing the correct sketch that drives the geometry you care about. Once you've found it, open the sketch for editing, right-click the sketch icon and choose Edit Sketch, or simply double-click the sketch icon in the timeline. You'll know you're in sketch mode when the grid appears, your sketch entities light up, and the sketch palette and toolbar become active. This is your workspace for precise 2D edits. Now let's modify the geometry. If you want to nudge a line or an arc, click and drag it to a new position. Keep in mind, if it won't move as expected, it's likely controlled by dimensions or constraints, which is a good sign of a well-defined sketch. For precise adjustments, double-click any existing dimension and type a new value. Press Enter to confirm, and the sketch will update instantly. The model will reflect these changes as the sketch drives your features downstream. Next, manage the relationships with constraints. Constraints tell the sketch how elements relate. For example, tangent keeps a line smoothly touching an arc, and equal makes two lines or circles the same size. Use the sketch palette or the toolbar to add the constraint you need. Select the geometry, then select the constraint. If something behaves unexpectedly, look for the small constraint icons near the geometry. Click the icon and press Delete to remove it. Aim for clarity without over-constraining. Fully defined geometry is more stable, but too many conflicting constraints can lock things up. When you're done, click Finish Sketch at the top. This exits sketch mode and applies your changes to the model. Take a moment to confirm that any features that depend on the sketch update as intended. If you need more refinement, just return to the same sketch and repeat these steps. That's it. Simple, precise sketch edits in Fusion 360 made easy.